Hi, I'm Papia. In this problem, we have to find a polynomial function that has the given zeros. There are two zeros. And also note that there are many correct answers, which means there are many polynomial functions with the given zeros. We have to find at least one. So think about what is the relationship between a zero of a function and the expression of the function. So if I start writing the expression for the function, say the function is f of x, okay, what do we know about the expression versus the zero? Well, if this is a zero and let's say it's c, if c is a zero for this function, that means the factor x minus c is definitely present in the expression for the function. That's how they're related. It's an if and only if. Okay, so there is another zero, this one. Say d is this zero. Therefore, the factor x minus d will be in the expression for the function. Now, why can there be many different polynomial functions? Because, well, you can square one of these factors or this one or cube or raise it to any power, right? Each time you change it a little bit, you get a different polynomial function. Okay, so at least this particular one that we are choosing will be a function which has these two zeros. So let's see what this function will look like. So x minus, the first zero is 1 plus square root of 2. And another factor, x minus, the second zero is 1 minus square root of 2. So this is our polynomial function that will have the given zeros. Let's try to expand it. This is how I will expand. Instead of just starting to FOIL, if you notice something, note that first, let me distribute the negative sign. So I get x minus 1 minus square root of 2 in the first factor. Second one, I get x minus 1 plus square root of 2. Remember, the negative sign is distributing. All right. Now, notice that in both factors, we have this term x minus 1. You see that? So this is what it looks like. It looks like x minus 1 minus square root of 2 times x minus 1 plus square root of 2. Well, what does it look like? A minus b times a plus b. When you combine, this is the difference of two squares. This is exactly a square minus b square. A being the first term x minus 1, b is the second term square root of 2. So this way it's easier to expand. Okay, let's go a little bit farther. So we have x minus 1 square minus square root of 2 square is just 2. Let's expand x minus 1 square. This is x square minus 2x plus 1. And we have minus 2. So we get x square minus 2x, and the constant is minus 1. So this is one of many polynomial functions which has zeros, 1 plus square root of 2 and 1 minus square root of 2. Thank you.